Hello everyone. I wanted to spend just a few moments going over the Canvas build assignment for week 2, designing your module. So since I know a lot of you are new to Canvas, wanted to talk a little bit about this and also kind of demonstrate how you will do this in Canvas. You will notice that there are some written directions here for designing your module, how you log into Canvas. There's also some directions for adding content to your module, adding existing content to your module. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly go through a couple of these items to give you some ideas of how you will do this. So I'm going to begin by opening the course map template that you will already have completed before you actually begin this Canvas build assignment. I actually have it open right back here, so I'll just click on this tab so you can see it. So when you are mapping out your module, it's going to look something like this. You'll have your module name. You could potentially have a page for your module objectives. You may have some links to some learning materials or pages. There could be some activities like discussion boards, and then you may have an assignment over the learning materials, which could end up being a quiz. So with that being said, this structure is going to help you in designing your module. So I'm going to go ahead and click now on My Sandbox. And as you can see, my sandbox is empty. I haven't created anything new. So there's really two ways you can create a module. If your sandbox looks just like this and it's completely empty, you could click right here to create a new module. Or if you're following the directions that I give you in this week's assignment, it might be easier to follow them. So I'm going to go ahead and do what I tell you in this week's assignment. I'm going to click on Modules from the course navigation menu. And then when I do, up here at the top, you're going to see a blue module button. It says plus module. So when I click on that, that's going to allow me to add a module. So I'll name my module. So for my purposes, I'm just going to call this sample module, but you'll call it something that goes along with your course. So be sure that you do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and just click add. Now, when I do that, you'll notice that that page changes, and now I actually have this sample module. And right now it's expanded. This just simply expands it or contracts it. So now I have my module created. So what I want to do now, using this map, I want to start building some items into my module. So if I already have pages created, I can come right over here to this plus sign that's just to the left of the name of my module. And this is going to allow me to add things to this module. And you'll see it says add an item to sample module. So if I needed to add an assignment, I could choose from this add drop-down box, assignment. If I wanted to add a page or a file, I just simply would choose what it was I wanted to add. I'm going to actually add a page. And you'll notice when I click on page, I can add a new page by clicking here, or I can add a page that's already been created. So in week 1's Canvas build, we did a welcome message. So I'm going to choose this welcome page, and then I'll just click add item. And you'll notice that there is a link now to that welcome page. So now I'm going to continue building out my module using this as a guide. So I'm just going to go ahead and go right here, and I'll click plus. And this time I'm going to add maybe some content. So again, my content could be in the form of a page, or it could be in the form of a URL to something. So I'll go ahead and just do this URL. And then I'm going to either type or paste in that URL. And this is a fake URL. Okay, so I'm just putting something in. And now I'm just going to put week 1 reading. And I have a couple other choices here, but I'm not going to make those right now. And I'm just going to click add. And so now you can see there is my content. So again, going back to this template, I have added my message, my welcome page. I've added some content. I could add objectives, activities, and assignments. So to continue building this out, I'm just going to continue to click this plus button and just go in here and tell it what I want to create. So if I did want to build an activity, maybe like a discussion, I could choose discussion. I don't have a topic, so I would choose new topic, and then I would put my topic name in. So I'm just going to put introduce yourself to the class. And I'll click add. And now there is my discussion. Now notice that I haven't really built anything in these. This is the only one that really contains information. These are just links. This one to a URL, so that one's real. But this one is just a link to a database that I haven't really finished. That's fine, because this week all I'm asking you to do is create this structure. And if you don't have things behind these links, don't worry about it. You're going to be able to add that next week. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you. And if not, you have my email address, you have my phone number. You can contact me anytime.